So you could buy real estate without showing any income and without your W-2 and without a job. That's not a scam. That's a DSCR loan. Hello and welcome. I'm Dot, the DSCR commercial loan guy behind Quick Loans by Low Rate Mortgage. And today is August 1st, 2025. You're in the right place if you want to learn how the wealthy buy real estate and how you can too, even if the banks keep telling you no. DSCR stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio, the income the property brings in, the rent, divided by the loan amount going out, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Sometimes HOA is involved in there. As long as the money coming in is equal to or greater than the money going out, I can surely get you a DSCR loan. The property just has the cash flow. It's how investors qualify for loans based on their property's income and not your income. That's right. No job, no W-2, no tax returns needed. You know, guys, you can do all the right things, do things right, work real hard, and never give up. You are not guaranteed success. Hard work alone doesn't guarantee success. In real estate, wealth comes from following the moves of top investors use. It's how they do it, guys. Do you understand? Again, the rent coming in is equal to or greater than the mortgage going out, you're good to go. And let's be real, traditional banks are allergic to real estate investors. They hate it when you have four or more properties. They want a perfect W-2 and a low debt to income ratio. But look, I mean, if you got a business, you've got 6 Airbnbs and a strong cash flow, you are a candidate for a DSCR loan. We look at the property, not your pay stubs. And let's look at some of the winning features with the DSCR loan. We've got loan amounts of $3 million. Available for 1 to 4 unit properties. We've got 5 to 8 units and 5 to 8 unit mix. We've got 30-year fixed. We got 40-year fixed. We even have interest only options. No employment or income documents required. No mortgage insurance. You gotta love that. And all unlimited property is allowed. First time investors, welcome. All you need is 25% down. We do have programs for 20% down. A FICO score of 700 or above is where we really shine in our rates. We do loans as low as 660 minimum, but the rate will not be favorable. You need 3 months reserve. So DSCR loans come with reserves. 1 month of reserve is equal to the payment, principal, interest, taxes, insurance, right? You're going to need 3 months of payments, and you just have to show them. They don't have to be liquid. It can be in a 401k, stocks, bonds, savings, whatever. You just have to be able to show it. Prepayment penalties. Give me a call. I'll explain that to you. All right, here's where Quicken Loans by Low Rate Mortgage crushes our competition. I regularly lock in rates up to 0.5% lower than the national average. Why? Because I know how to package a deal. We negotiate with the right investors. And for me, I only charge a flat rate 1% fee. You guys understand that? A 1% fee. That is my fee, the origination charge. And right now, if you're a first-time client, now this is interesting. With us, you get an extra 0.25% rate discount for Quick Loans low rate deal. Okay, that's a 0.25% of your interest rate, and that's real money. So, I mean, don't forget to ask for the Quick Loans low rate deal, 0.25% off. If you've never done business with us. Now let's look at some of the questions that people ask me, and they ask me, can you do a DSCR loan for a first-time investor? Absolutely. You have to have a primary residence, and you need 25% down, and you'll be good to go. We do cash out refi with the DSCR loan. Of course we do, and you take your equity and you roll that into your next deal and multiply your wealth. That's essentially what they do. We have condos, non-wardable condos, and condo hotels, and we have weird stuff that most lenders run from. Some say my rate is too good to be true. Nope, it's just smarter lending, direct investor relationships, and get them on the volume. So here's the best part. I routinely beat the market on the average of 0.5%. in the rate. Now that's at guys, that's at par. Okay, we're not talking buy downs or anything funny. That's par rate. Sometimes there isn't par. Most of the time there is, But I'll give you the rate sheet. You can look at it. You'll know what's going on. And if you're a first time client, I'll give you that quick loans low rate deal, additional 1/4% discount. That's 1/4% off your rate, and that's real money, guys. And my fee again is just 1%, not those 2%, 3% monsters you'll find. Oh, the bank's like 4%, something like that. Now, here's the kicker. I'm like most lenders out there, juggling everything from conventional, USDA, FHA, VA, at quick loans by low rate mortgage, DSCR, and commercial loans is all we do. DSCR, commercial loans, that's all we do. If you want a conventional loan, something like that, go find another lender and tell them Dot sent you. Okay? We do not do those loans here. Because we do one thing, we do one thing better than anybody else. So let's get the money moving. It takes money to make money, and money makes money. Click on the link below, book a call, or just pick up the phone and call Dot directly at 734-743-1515. Again, that's 734-743-1515. And guys, in the comments, let me know if you like this number. Is it confusing, the 734-743 thing? I don't know. And if you're ready from just watching other people build wealth to actually building it yourself, give me a call. And let's choose the next deal with that quick loans, low rate deal. That's 1/4%, guys. Like, subscribe, show this video to your investor friend, and I'll see you at the next closing table. Have a great day, guys.